I have found Jim to be an extremely strategic thinker, extraordinarily patient, someone that is capable of getting collaboration among a diverse group of folks.
The I-75 corridor is moving rapidly from good to great, and Jim Pankos is the classic Level 5 leader. He's the most attentive, thoughtful executive that I've ever known. He empowers other leaders by providing them clear objectives, the resources they need to succeed, and most importantly, the trust.
He's quite approachable, someone that is interested in what you have to say.
Hundreds of companies are choosing to come to our area because Southwestern Ohio has outstanding quality of life.
Jim is very focused, he's very serious about where healthcare has to go.
We're going from volume-based system to a value-based system.
His focus is 100% this industry. He takes it that seriously because he knows our work is serious.
Jim's vision has always been that healthcare must transform itself to help us all lead healthier lives and to reduce the cost of healthcare. Thanks to Jim's leadership, Premier is addressing population health throughout the I-75 corridor through new programs for population health, health plans, a physician network, easily accessible outpatient facilities, and acute care if it's needed.
Jim's been the absolute right person to be in that chair leading us through this transition.
Healthcare is something that you have to have it, and access to great healthcare that's convenient, easy to get to, is really, really important for a community.
So when you think about companies who are looking to find locations in this region, when they're looking into areas and you think about what they're interested in, they're looking at housing, they're interested in education, what are the school systems like, they're looking at what's the recreational atmosphere like, and certainly what's healthcare like. What am I going to be able to do for my employees in being able to ensure that they have access to exceptional health care?
Jim recently served as chairman of the board of the Ohio Hospital Association. He's a thought leader at the Greater Dayton Area Hospital Association, and nationally he serves on the American Hospital Association Policy Board.
He's continually challenging us to think about how we get to the future and how we lead others there as well.
He's led a major healthcare system through dramatic changes. He's expanded healthcare access for all of us.
He's a community leader. He's a leader in the healthcare industry, and he wants us all to live healthy, productive lives.